Where is Joe Carollo? The Miami City Commissioner has not been seen since he ran out of court with that $63 million judgment hanging over his head. And he now could be facing a criminal investigation. Local 10's Hat Silvella has some new reaction from City Hall.
When it comes to a criminal case, a former state and federal prosecutor tells us it is unlikely given the facts that we have seen in the civil case, but the commissioner moving forward still has to deal with the court of public opinion.
The judge has an order. I cannot speak, please. I'll be happy to once he lifts it.
That gag order was lifted, but days later, Commissioner Joe Carollo still remains out of the limelight. No one was at this little Havana home listed as one of his addresses. In fact, it's empty. We've also tried his Coconut Grove home. At City Hall, his parking space was empty.
Not only was he a bully, but he was also a coward.
A federal jury awarded two Miami businessmen more than $63 million in damages because they allege Carollo violated their First Amendment rights by using his office to harass and damage the reputations of their businesses and tenants. On This Week in South Florida, we hear from the plaintiffs as to what this means for the city.
The city manager and the city attorney are a part of his apparatus that allows him to conduct this abuse.
They're now part of a growing group of voices, including Miami City Commissioners, who believe the Miami taxpayers should not pay for the damages awarded.
If the city of Miami steps in to cover this liability, then it'll never chill another politician from abusing their power.
As for Carollo's future and other legal troubles, including the possibility of criminal investigations, former state and federal prosecutor David Weinstein weighs in.
Unless there are some facts that are not being reported to the public facts don't lay out any sort of corruption investigation that would be undertaken by a prosecutor.
And so when it comes to the court of public opinion, expect a press conference here at City Hall on Tuesday where you will meet city leaders as well as business folks and members of the community who are here or will be here to denounce what they call decades of corruption by the commissioner. Reporting from City Hall in the city of Miami, I'm Hat Silvella, Local 10 News.